Just take a couple. Yeah. Honey, Will. I know. Work hard here, boys. Number 3. Got him, ball. Finish him off. Got him right where you want him. Come on, Will. Go, Will. Oh, beautifully here, Will.
Shot. Good shot. Good shot.
Back in here, Will. Back on it. Oh, down, come on. Work hard here, boys. Work hard. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Come on, let's go. Will. Got it, Will. Good mate. Very nice. Next time, Kate. Watch you. Waiting for that one, Kate. Kate, hit it next time. Down. Come on, stay on. Oh, let's go. Good, mate. Good, Will. Good, Johnny. Good from you, Resta. Resta Junior. Same height, too. No, he's taller. Cop that, Johnny. Oh, well. Oh, good, Will. Good demo. Punch out, come on.
Good fine.
Good, K9. Yeah, don't rub it. Take your bacon again. Good, mate. John, on your toes, mate. Really good. Really good in there. Pressure's on. Come on, Will. He's going to get that for him. Now that Will's teed off. Oh, good man. Oscar, take notes. Playing the ton of ball there, oh. Come on, Fred. I reckon we That's alright, LB, just give it. We don't see anyway. I love when you come. Anyone a bit more mobile would have got that. Like Clive, you would have got that.
Well, yeah.
Mate, he would have.
Are you joking, guy?
He'd be better off getting herpes off, no? Go, Will. Right back. Go, Will.
He's just as likely to get it off you too, John.
Probably. I always go up. Go, Will. Straight on.
Your patch, Johnny!
We weren't born with condoms on. Come, South. Come, boys. Going well, Will. Going well. Do it for Brazil. Oh, Ryan! You would have caught that if the camera was on.
Camera is on.
But why'd you drop it? Great effort, mate. Great effort. Ronnie, we need
Ronnie.
the camera angle. Really good here, Will. Really good. Right, you can hire this one to do a whole ground shot. Good, Will. It'll come here, boys. It'll come. Some pressure, boys. Some pressure. Great effort, Ronnie. Good, boys. Come on, Will. Come on, Will. Forward with that, Will. Don't get forward. You don't mind the dots. Keep working. Keep dot all day and all night. Come on, boys. Work hard here. Work hard. Keep going. Oh, well done, Will. Will. Come on, boys. Don't stop it. Don't stop it. Good from you, Lance. Come well down. Good from you, Dougie.
He's winding up, doesn't he?
What?
Well, mate, finish off well, mate. Judges are coming.
I've been deleting that off the camera footage.
Run out, buddy.
Wait on!